Hello everyone, it's me Kapish Prasad, currently the level 5 student from the British College. This is my supply chain management system assessment 2 submission. In this video, I'll review my Git commit history, explaining the Django models, views, URLs, templates which I've used here, and finally demonstrating the site running locally with the Django development server. So let's start from my commit history, where I have already logged in my GitHub account. Here you can see what 2025 assessment to Kapish. So reviewing from the commits, starting from here, you can see I have created from here, completed my basic created HTML and CSS, which I have completed my front end part, and my checkpoint was design stage completed, where I have completed my front end part. And secondly, the checkpoints I have you content populated from the database, where I have populated my database contents datas from dynamically from the database, and updating and loading the datas. um, and third checkpoints was my model extended, which I have extended my models from the admin panels datas, for from the administration, for the retrieving the data and to adding the new pages, where which I've extended my models. So these commits, as you can see, these commits show the progressive development of my Django application and confirms that my required checkpoint stages have been achieved. So moving to the code, uh, Django models and admins which I have used in some model.py. So let's start from models.py. I'll describe the Django models which you used in this project, and how are they managed through the admin interface. So this it's my models.py code. This project uses the Django app called supply chain management system. In model.py, as you can see, I have defined the models such as councils and contractors, budgeting, bidding and updating through the foreign key relation, where foreign key it is the foreign key, it creates one to many relationship between two tables, links related data using um, retrieved data and updating it. So updating with the foreign key relationships, it represents real world data's projects bidding, where councils post projects, contractor places the biddings, and projects are tracked through updates by users. So you can see I've used the foreign key here in the councils, contractors, and for the budgeting, here you can see the for the projects, I have added the models dot foreign key. So moving to the admin panels, let's run the program. So cd django project python manage.py run server. Let's run my project and move the admin panel. So it's my login page. So moving to the admin panel, admin panel. So it's my Django administration admin panel. You can see, so my username is the Kapish, and password @12345. So while logging my admin panel, here it's my administration, where we can add and projects, councils, and for bidding, and where we can add the our contractors details and everything from this admin panel. You can see we can add from like writing the project name, constructors, amounts, status, and saving from here. From the admin panel user profiles, you can add the project updates, councils, and contractor. So moving to the code. So moving to the code, let's start from describing views.py and urls.py where which I've used. So I'll explain how views are implemented and how URLs are mapped to those views.py. So let's start. Here, the views.py, it handles the incoming requests and retrieve the data from the database. From the database, where the urls.py, it connects the views to manage the paths, to manage the you can see the paths here. It manages the paths for the application to the structure to view the data. So in the views.py, it uses the function based views to handle the different user requests, like dashboards. You can view the dashboards, um, project lists. You can view the project lists and council dashboards, bidding. I have used construction. You can view the dashboards, construction, and where the urls.py, it provides a clear structure and mapping each urls to path to fetch the data from the views.py. um, it it also represents the page where it allows passing IDs to directly to the views, where the views, it requires a login required handles to use the dashboard on user type, like for viewing the constructor and councils. It requires a login submissions, passwords, and users. So moving to the next part, templates and inheritance, which I have used here. So let's I'll summarize the templates which I have used in this project, how they are in structure. Here the templates are organized to separate the layout, styling, and content, where the my main HTML format is my base.html, where you can see the links. It's the URLs link where you can fetch the data and directly passes to the on another dashboards, contract pages. You can directly go to the another page using these links. These are the inherited parts which I have used in this project. It inherits the properties from this data and goes to the another size. So moving to the live demonstration. So let's run this project again. So terminal, new terminal. So let's run from first step. Cd Django project, Python manage.py, run server. So these links takes us to the my project. So I have already logged in. So first of all, let's log out my site. For logging in, I have some passwords for the constructor which I have made. So let's log in this, which I've added the projects. Rapid build, the password. I've added this bracket extra. So let's log in, and let's see the project, the password works correctly or not, and if it's wrong, does it shows the error message or not. So let's log in. So you can see the invalid username or password, as I have added this extra password. So let's log in again and write the correct for password. remove that bracket and let's log in now. Now you can see I have login and my pop-up message also says welcome back rapidwool. So here are my projects which I have added from the admin panel, which I have already added from the admin panel. You can see the waste management facility upgrade highway, which I have already added from my admin panel. You can see the all projects. So let's bid from here from the construction site, waste management facility upgrade, Liverpool City Council. So let's bid from here. You can see the bidding amount and proposal detail option, which is optional if you want to add for more detail. So let's bid this amount. So while submitting bid, it shows the popping up message your bid of has been submitted successfully. So moving to the council page, this is the constructor page. Let's log out this my constructor site. Let's log out and let's log in now. Council page. Let's log in the council page. You can see the council page here. I have logged in. So you can see the I have bidded the message here. It's popping up. So if you accept this, I have uses the CROD method where you can see if you accept this will automatically reject all other bits where I don't have to delete or do other things to decline other. If I want to accept this bidding, just accept it and all the other bits will be automatically cancelled, which I don't need to delete it especially one by one. This will automatically rejects all the bids. Let's accept this. So bids rapid from 38 has been accepted. Now you can see all others are rejected, which I have done it previously, which I have it's rejected, and the 38,000 was already now it's accepted. So moving to the dashboard, I have added here a dark mode and night mode, dark mode and light mode theme. You can see it here. The accepted message also shows the properly, and my the admin visibility also is it's proper in night mode and white mode, light mode. You can see the accepted message and the reject material, which I have accepted my recent waste management facility upgrade, which is accepted, and all the others bids are automatically rejected. As I have already said, if we accept one bid, others will automatically decline others bid, which I have used using the CROD method. So let's log out this. So in short, my project SCM Constructions, it manages the council's projects and bids and data models in the database. Um, as you can see here from the database, I have from the views.pr and URLs, the Django views. It fetches the data from the data into the web pages using the templates, where the and from the admin panels, of my construction site Django administration, it allows it to update, record, add the data and projects to bid the projects. It allows from the admin panel, and the urls.py, it helps us to route the datas using the navigations to and the site smoothly and run my construction site smoothly. So now talking about the extra feature which I have added in my project is my dark mode and light mode theme, which I have added in my project. In my admin panel also you can see I have added dark mode and night mode. So by saying this much, I would like to conclude my assessment 2 demonstration video. Thank you so much for reviewing my submission. Thank you.